What's going on, everybody? I'm just making this video to show you what to do when you come across those roadblocks in CPA marketing. There are some roadblocks. I'm gonna just name off a few and I'm gonna list them here so that some things you keep note of as you're starting this, because a lot of people, I see your questions and I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. The first one be this. Alright, so Facebook bans. So people that actually get their Facebook ad accounts banned, or even worse, Facebook just bans your whole page because maybe you haven't been active for a while, maybe you don't really post much, so Facebook thinks you're some type of bot that's just trying to run ads and stuff like that. So that's what I want to get into. Basically, if your Facebook is brand new, say you just create your Facebook, you want to build some history, post some pictures. It don't gotta be of your face, but you need like at least one of your face. That's just like a requirement. I know Facebook kind of creepy. A lot of people don't really mess with Facebook. Before, like, I was running ads and stuff, that was one of my hangups, being on Facebook, because I really don't really like social media like that, but it's really good with like business and stuff. So it's where a lot of people are. So that's traffic. Traffic equals money. Basically, upload some pictures, be a little active, like some stuff, share some stuff. That's it. Add some people, get at least 200 friends or so, 500 friends. Just get as many friends as you can, even if you just add random people. I wouldn't say just add a whole bunch of random people, but like, you need to add people, basically. I don't know really how else to break it down. And also, make sure when you're making these Facebook pages, you're paying attention to my video on how to get the likes for the fan pages as well. You're getting some engagement, make it seem like a real actual fan page as well, because a lot of you guys, your fan pages be looking spammy as heck, and you just can't have it like that. So what you need to do to focus on not getting banned is basically just try to stick within the guidelines. You need to read Facebook guidelines, because yes, it's hard to run black hat campaigns. It's hard to run, I'm gonna just go ahead and say it, but make money online is black hat. Now, because Facebook don't like you, they call it get rich quick schemes and stuff like that. So that niche is a little bit harder, and you will get your ad account banned more if you do that. So I advise you to stick within white hat niches. That's why I teach in Mobile Academy. I got done for you campaigns that are all white hat. I only teach white hat. I only show you white hat on this channel. And the reason is to avoid Facebook bans. So what to do if it happens though? This is what you need to do. If you're in my Mobile Academy, just email me. I have certain ad account training to, help you get your account back. I have specific training that I paid $500 for this training, and what I do is, to all my students, I just share that training with them, because it's like, I already paid. You don't gotta go like find it and pay $500. If you're my coaching student, you can go ahead and get that. But if you're not, what I would just like to say is, you gotta get in contact with Facebook. You gotta reach out to them. Like I said, this training I got is like a whole hour long, 2 hours. So it's hard to just be like, just do this and this. You can go ahead and go try to make another Facebook, and that's kind of black hat. If you haven't done so already, you get 2 business managers with each profile. So if you have 1 business manager, you can't make no more ad accounts. Make your second one, but remember that's your second one. Make sure you can also talk to friends and family, things like that. Get accounts from other people. But I'll just say, the best part is the best thing you need to stick to is try not to get them banned. Of course, stuff is going to get banned. Chanel, have your accounts been banned? Yes, I have dozens of ad accounts that got banned, but I always get more, and it don't happen like every week. You don't need a new account every week. It is maybe every 6 to 12 months. You should be trying to build, and last year, you shouldn't be running through all these, and this is through the years, years. So if you're just a newbie, like, you just need 1 business manager, 2 business managers max, and you'll be straight for the rest of the year. Just get started, And if you need more ad accounts, there's ways to get more ad accounts. Like, don't ever think, oh, like, I can't do Facebook because my ad account is banned. That's a hang up. That's an excuse. You're gonna mess yourself up with that excuse, all right? You don't have to be so infatuated with Facebook. Like, I just want everybody to know there's other traffic sources. There's other ways to make money with CPA marketing than just Facebook ads. Yes, that's a lot. Yes, that's a lot of where my revenue has come from. But at the same time, I make revenue on other traffic sources as well. I just keep those a little more low key, or I've been releasing it in Mobile Academy, showing training and things like that in my special academy. Not so much on this channel, which I probably do need to go over more traffic sources and things like that to actually help you guys, because a lot of you guys are just like, well, what if I don't have a Facebook ad account and things like that? And it's other ways you can make money with CPA marketing other than just Facebook. It's other methods and things like that. But I don't want you guys to get scatterbrained and start just trying all these different things and just focus on one at a time. So if your Facebook ad account banned, you can't make a second account. You can't get any friends and family. You can't do none of the stuff to get no other ad account. That's it for you on Facebook. Focus on another traffic source. Go to Bing ads, which actually relabeled to Microsoft ads, but I still call it Bing. So Bing ads, just go to Bing ads, focus on that. If you focus on that for the next 30 days, you can get results. It's that simple. Don't get caught up in this, oh, this traffic source, that traffic source. So a lot of newbies do that, and I don't want to see you go down that path, all right? All right, so that's Facebook. So right now, I want to go into something else. You need to just not really spend too much time worrying about and contemplating and just keep moving, keep going forward is when this happens. All right, so offer pause. You might be thinking, what's that mean? What's offer pause? Offer pause is basically when you're running traffic to an offer, and what happens is it may have a cap. So let's say, so a cap just basically means it's only a certain amount of leads or sales or whatever it's asking for. It's only going to allow a certain amount. So the cap may be 1,000. Once you get 1,000 leads, say it's leads. If once you get 1,000 leads to this offer, you can't send no more traffic. Now, it might be a cap on the actual offer, cap on the affiliate, whatever. You might have the money, you might have something winning, and you want to just scale it, but it might be a cap on the actual offer. So that to me counts as offer pausing. So it's basically like it can just pause in the middle of like while you're trying to scale, or it can pause just where it just shuts off completely, where like they're just taking it off, no more traffic from anybody. So this really like disrupts people sometimes. They're like, oh my gosh, I found this good offer, but my affiliate manager just said, hey, it's pausing this weekend, so I'm just trying to make some money. But it's basically like you can't really invest no more into it because it's going away. So the best thing to do for this is to find the best matching offer. Find something that's similar, or find the offer on another network. It's really, really simple. It's like that. Just go. That's why I tell you, apply to multiple CPA affiliate networks, because you want to be in as many as possible for this reason, just in case something do pause. And also, not even because you need to also split test, because once you have something that's working, even if you're not getting it paused and everything like that, once you have something that's working, you still want to be testing it with similar offers as well to make sure you're getting the highest EPC for your offer. You don't want to just be sending all this traffic to this and your EPC 105, but little did you know your EPC could be 135 on this network. So you want to just split test. But that's just with similar offers. That's once you got something winning, the traffic is converting, you're just trying to get a higher EPC. You're trying to see which offer, and you might need to just edit the landing page just a little bit and have 2 different funnels but send the same traffic. And that's what basically the rules for if your offer gets paused. Do the same thing. Start testing out similar offers. If it's a cap, once you can't run traffic to that offer anymore, switch it to, if it caps off, all you gotta do, you can change the offer just on like your landing page. Just change the offer at your landing page button, just change that link. And then once that offer is capped, you just change your links, and now they're getting sent to another offer. You get what I'm saying? So that's pretty much how you run offers that get capped, or if your offer gets paused, what to do. So that's just some more quick little tips that I just want you guys to pay attention to, because don't get caught up with these hangups. There's some more. I'll probably make another video on more that I think you guys really need to know when getting started. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video.